Okay, this is how this fence is going together. It's a metal fence. It's all been prefabbed. We're just sticking it together and going to use screws to go ahead and hold the thing together. And it should go ahead and discourage anybody from going through the driving up through the cemetery.
Driving across dead guys.
Yes, we don't want people driving across dead guys.
You looked up at the perfect moment.
I go through a little too. Hey, hold right there. There you go. Hold this. Knock you on the head.
And Butters is helping as best he can.
He's definitely doing something, right? 3 drill holes, see?
Right.
Digging.
Yeah.
This fence sure looks nice. And this is an unbelievable coming together of folks from all different industries and organizations. We have trail organizations here. We have mining companies are represented here. And off-road racing is represented here. But this is what we can do to go ahead and keep our public lands from being shut down. And this is what we have to do in order to keep our public lands open.
Be what? Beyond. This. What's that? Po. So what's the whole thing say? No motorized vehicles beyond this point. Nifty, huh?
There you go.
All right, and there is one of those expanding ribbon things.
I'm going to take a walk up here into the cemetery. And unfortunately, this is the reason why they've gone ahead and put the fence up, is because there's so many of these graves that were just marked with wooden markers and things like that. And so we really don't know, you know, how far a lot of these markers go. And there's one very special grave up here that that people have actually taken care of quite a bit over the years. You know, unfortunately, we have, you know, graves like this one here and this one here. We got no idea who those people were, how old they were. But this one here, people have come up for years, and you know, this young gal was 15 years old. But people have come up and put these angels up here for, oh, as long as I've been coming up here. So a lot of people in the valley here still have ties to Pine Grove. This is one of the other reasons why we're doing this, is that, you know, you look at the few little headstones and things that are there. Well, this is a grave right here. And this is, you know, these are unmarked. I have no idea who these people were. Somebody probably does, but I don't. But because of this, you know, who knows, you know, in this whole area here, who knows how many people are buried out here? Who really knows? You know, you can see down on the side of the hill there. And honestly, a lot of these some of these markers, especially down here, are, well, this one obviously is fairly current. But some of these, the flowers and things like that, I'd never seen before. It's been a couple of years, at least two and a half years since I've been up here. And so who knows how far down this cemetery actually goes. But these people should not be forgotten. Their graves should not be trodden over nor driven over.